আসসালামু আলাইকুম। বৈশ্বিক করোনা পরিস্থিতিতে সবাই সচেতন হই, সুস্থ থাকি। একান্ত প্রয়োজন না হলে আমরা কেউ বাইরে যাব না। ঢাকা জেলার নবাবগঞ্জ উপজেলাধীন খানিপুর উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়ের সকল শিক্ষার্থী, সম্মানিত অভিভাবক ও সংশ্লিষ্ট সকলকে শ্রেণী পাঠদানের বিকল্প অনলাইন ক্লাসে স্বাগতম জানাচ্ছি। আমাদের সকলের সম্মিলিত প্রচেষ্টায় আমরা এগিয়ে যাব এবং নির্ধারিত লক্ষ্যে পৌঁছে যাব ইনশাআল্লাহ। আসুন সবাই অংশ নেই খানিপুর উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়ের অনলাইন ক্লাসে। ধন্যবাদ।
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. How are you? I am Muzaffar Ahmed, English teacher of Khanipur High School. Today, I am taking a class with the students of class 9 and 10. Today, 14 July 2020. Dear students, in the meantime, you are acquainted with all our online classes arranged. Our authority attended different teachers in different subjects. I have also presented few online classes with your YouTube channels on grammar and also paragraph. Now, I am going to discuss with you about a new item for class 9 but not 10. Especially this subject grammatical rule is for 9 and 10, new for 9. Today I am going to discuss with you about completing sentence. After discussing these topics, we will be able to tell the definition of the completing sentence, know the rules of the completing sentence, complete the incomplete sentence. Dear students, I hope you are ready with your pen and paper. Without writing, you cannot be attentive with my lesson. So, write down this point. Firstly, you must know about completing sentence. That means, what is completing sentence? Write down it. When a part of sentence is completed with a clause or phrase is called a completing sentence. You can write down it. So, it is clear that we are going to make completing sentence. For this, we must need to discuss about some rules. Carefully follow and write down the important factors. Firstly, to complete the sentence, we have to learn about conditional. Can you anytime learn about conditional? Then I will discuss, especially that students of class 10, you are familiar with these topics, conditional. Conditionals are 3 items, 3 classes. First conditional, second conditional and third conditional. Have you written it? Okay, that's good. Especially you are brilliant with our online classes. For our first conditional, you must note down about this. At first, for first conditional, if and then present indefinite. in our grammar translation mode, we learned it if present future. Or when we studied in our school, we learned it about if present future. But now it is difficult for you, with you, that if present indefinite and future. That means first sentence will be if, subject and present indefinite. And in second portion, subject, modal and verbs present form. Here follow, write down, you may write down it. If present indefinite tense, first portion, and second portion that you will make complete with your idea. Subject, modal, that means shall, will, can, may, is modal, and then present form of main verb. Okay? Have you written it? That's brilliant. For example, here, write down, you may write down it for your future preparation. You must write down this note. Here, if it rains, follow carefully. If it rains, here if conditional, it subject, rains, verb, present form. This is our first structure, first conditional. And for second sentence, subject I, modal shall, and another verb. If it rains, I shall not go out. And you may project another sentence. If it rains, I will not play, I will not play, I will not go to school. Many sentences you may complete with it. If he comes in time, what will happen? If he comes in time, what will happen? Give yourself and write down. I will help you next. Okay? If he comes in time, we will help him. If he comes in time, we will help him. Or you may say another word. If he comes in time, I will help him. I will play with him. Another sentence you may design with it. If you are late, what will happen? If you are late, what will happen? You will miss the class. You will miss the class, or you will miss the train. If you are late, you cannot keep pace with your day. You cannot keep pace with your day's work. Okay? If you kill your time, what will happen? You will not shine in life. If you kill your time, that means if you waste your time, you cannot shine in life, or you cannot fulfill your course, you cannot make your homework this way. If the sky is cloudy, I will not go out, I will not play. Another word. Here, it may rain. If the sky is cloudy, it may rain. Clear? Oh, that's good. Right, you are. Now, another sense. If you anytime find in your conditional, first conditional, unless is another negative sense for your completing sentence. Unless subject and main verb. In our previous slide, if, but here is unless, is negative sense, unless. And then second sentence is the same here, is your previous, like our previous slide, same way, subject, modal. Modal means shall, will, can, could, may, might, have to, is going to, and negative form it, and then verb present form. Here, unless you work hard, you will fail. Unless is a negative sense. Remember it. Unless is a negative sense. Okay? Have you written it? That's good. Now, complete the following sentence. Unless you read attentively, what happens? If you do not read attentively, if you do not shortly designed with unless, if you do not, and unless is bearing the same meaning. Unless you read attentively, you will not pass. You will not make a good result. You will not shine in life. You will fail, etc. Many words, many sentences you may design. Unless you start at once, what will happen? You cannot reach timely. If you do not start at once, you cannot reach timely. You cannot catch the train, you cannot catch the class, etc. Many sentences you may write down or design it. Come at 8 o'clock unless you rise early. Come at 8 o'clock unless you rise early. He will not shine unless he does his duty accordingly. Unless you respect others, they will not respect you. If you do not respect others, they will not respect you. And here, another idea, use of till, until. At times we request our friends, wait here until I shall come, wait here till he visit with you. There's many words and sentences we use it. Here like this, for till or until, verb, until, subject, main verb. Especially it attached with imperative sentence. Subject, verb, till, and second portion, subject, modal, main verb. Like previous slide, it is also designed with this till. Here, wait until the rain stops. Wait, main verb, that is imperative sentence. Until the rain stops. You will stay home till I shall come. Okay, have you written it? Okay. Tip for you, wait for me until I shall come. Wait for me, until I shall come. I will teach him till he will find interest. I will teach him till he will find interest. He will nurse me until I need. Write down it. Very important note for you. Have you written? Okay. You are brilliant. I will help him till he wishes. Until I come, you will work. Now, dear students, I think you are writing down all the rules with completing sentence with my example. Here another topics, another rule use of as long as. As long as. For this structure, subject verb as long as, and second portion subject and main verb. Wait here as long as I come back. And now complete it like this. Allah will be with us as long as and now second conditional. Like first conditional, second conditional is designed samely. For second conditional, after if, here verb will be past form, that means simple past. But first conditional verb was simple present, but here simple past. And the second portion, after subject, a modal past form. Shall, would, should, would, could, should, would, could, might. This way you will design your second conditional. Here, if past indefinite, subject, would. The second part, second portion, subject, would, could, might, present form of verb. For example, if I knew his address, here follow, knew, knew, know theke knew, past form, so it is second conditional. If I lived near our college, if I were you, if I had the wings of a bird, if they wanted, and you may answer this way. If I were a king, if I knew his address, here second conditional. So they are modal also past mode. For will, would. Here from know, knew. I knew his address, I would meet him. If I lived near our college, I could, here could, not can, could, reach college earlier. If I were you, I would help the poor. If I had the wings of a bird, I would fly. If they wanted, we would help them. If I were a king, I would help the poor. And now, third conditional. For third conditional, after subject, you will design your first portion, past perfect tense. That means, firstly if, then subject and had. For past perfect tense, had and then. Main verbs, past participle form. Here, if subject had, VPP means verb past participle form and then object. And for second portion, subject would, could, here also have, would have, could have and might have. And then verb past participle form. Here, for you, if I had seen him, I would have told him the matter. If you had followed my advice, you would have passed the exam. If they had started earlier, they could have got the train. If she had tried, she would have succeeded. And at times, there you may not find any if, then had for your first third modal, third conditional, use had as your third conditional. Then you will complete your sentence the same way as you complete with your if. Here, had, subject, past perfect form, object, and for subject, would have, could have, might have, and then past participle form. Had I seen him, I would have given him the news. Here, would have. But there is no if. For conditional, we use if. We know if is the conditional word. But if you find any time had is the as your subject, and then you think it also third conditional. Had he wanted, they would have helped him. Here for you, had he possessed a vast property, he would have established a college, or he would have helped the poor, he would have made a bridge, he would have helped the distressed people, he would have established a hospital, etc. Many words, many sentences. Had I earned much money, I would have helped the poor. Had I been invited, I would have joined the party. Have you written it? Okay. Dear students, I will give you some homework. You will complete the sentence with yourself with the help of our online class from YouTube channels, and if you need, you can call me. If you need any help, you can call me. Please write down this very sentence. Here for homework, the farmer saw good seeds so that, and you will complete the sentence. He worked first in order that we eat vegetables so that they play well in order that he was so weak that read as long as, help him as long as, I gave him as long as, had you forbidden me, had I done well in the examination. If you have a ticket, if you want to remain healthy, if you heat water, if we want to prosper in life. And this very sentence you may write down quickly, very quickly. Yes, write down this note, this very sentence, and complete this sentence at home yourself. You may take help with your classmate, another classmate, and complete it, combining with your younger brother or sister. And if you need, you may take another help from us by phone call or with our authority. I hope you are quite well and doing attentively with our online class, every classes. Write down this note and complete, and show your class teacher, subject teacher, while we meet again. Thank you. Dear students, thank you very much.